So I'd like to share with you a few fundamental foundational practices that we often do in the system of Reiki, but this is also incorporated in various other centering practices. There's a combination of some Reiki breathing practices as well as some Tai Chi and Qigong. It's something that can be incorporated into your yoga practice, something you can do at the beginning of the day, in the middle of the day to unwind, unfurl at the end of the day to release the tensions of the day. If you're Reiki trained, this is a wonderful practice before you're doing a self-treatment, a treatment on others, an attunement, etc. and so on. So many benefits and many ways that you can utilize this. So we're going to start with what's referred to as dry bathing. It's a practice in the system of Reiki, and it's very simple. Bring the right hand to the left shoulder, inhale. Exhale, sweep diagonally down your body and out the opposite hip. And then you're going to repeat that on the other side. Inhale, exhale, and let out a big breath. And then back to the original side. Inhale and exhale. So it's powerful inhale, powerful exhale. Now we're going to do that down the arms. Inhale, opposite arm, and back to the original arm. Wonderful. And then I like to add the front of the body, down the belly, down the legs, and the back of the body. Good. Okay, now we're going to add a little Qigong practice. And this is a wonderful way to actually get you started in a Qigong practice or in a Tai Chi practice. Just shake off the stressors of the day or the concerns and bring yourself into present. So you're going to bring your arms out in front of you, slight bend to your knees, and you're going to begin to bounce. And as you do that, you're going to shake the arms and shake the hands, and you're going to release a sound current that releases the tension from your body. So it sounds like this. And then we're going to add above us and do the same thing. Clearing all that debris above you. And then we're going to do that to our sides. I know it sounds really weird, but it actually feels really great. And you're going to combine all of that. Shake the legs, shake the arms like a 2-year-old. Let out sounds. Yeah, no, again, it sounds really weird, but it feels really good. Good. Shake it all off. Wonderful. Now we're ready to come into some pranayama, some breath work. And you can do that again with a little Tai Chi movement, Qigong movement, or you can just simply do that with your hand. One hand on your hara, your navel, your dantian, one hand on your heart center. So let's first begin a slight bend of your knees. You can also do this sitting down. Imagine energetic roots extending down, deep into Gaia, deep into the earth, tuning into the most beautiful nature space that you've been to. Imagining that all the walls just dissolving into that space. So that as you inhale drinking in that earthly chi, breathing that into your hara, your heart, and your head space. And then as you exhale like a stream, let it wash through your mind, wash through your body, wash out to your skin. Beautiful. And again, inhaling, drinking the regenerative, transformative, renewing energy of earthly chi, letting it fill your hara, your heart, your head space. And then as you exhale, let it wash your mind, wash your body, wash out your skin. One more cycle. Inhaling, drinking in that transformative power, that mana, prana, breathing it into your hara, your heart, your head space. And then as you exhale, let it nourish and cleanse the mind, the body, and out the skin. And tuning into that union of your breath and your body united as one with the breath and the body of the earth. So it becomes the breath breathing the body breathing the breath, the earth breathing you in as you breathe the earth in. Continue counting to 3 with each inhale. Continue counting to 3 with each exhale. You can keep your hands, one hand on the hara, one hand on the heart space, or you can incorporate bringing in your hands, utilizing that as you inhale, drinking into your 3 dantians or 3 diamonds, and then as you exhale, letting it circulate through. And remain here a few more seconds, a few more minutes, counting to 3 with each inhale, counting to 3 with each exhale. Finding that centering union with your breath, the healing power within your breath, the healing power within your body, and the healing power of the breath and the body of the earth, the mana, the prana, and then all of nature. And then as you're ready, gently opening your eyes and entering your day. Namaste.